A moderate magnitude 4.0 earthquake hit 17.5 kilometers, 11 miles, away from Ica, Peru, in the late afternoon of Wednesday, May 28, 2025 at 6:08 p.m. local time. America, Lima GMT-5. The quake had a shallow depth of 59 kilometers, 37 miles, and was reported felt by some people near the epicenter. First to report, volcano discovery after 5 minutes. Data source from volcano discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.